أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يخرج الحي من الميت ويخرج الميت من الحي ويحيي الأرض بعد موتها وكذلك تخرجون. Viewers, as you know, for many days I am discussing the same topic, Islam and nature, and in this connection I have already uploaded my 4 videos on my channel, and today's my lecture is connected to my last lecture, in which an audience and listener has questioned me that please explain the worship. Before explaining the worship, I will explain the system of accountability in Islam. It's common sense and good sense that the person who is living in the world, whenever he commits a deed, there is a reward of his deed or his action, whatever and whenever he will do it. And every action has a conclusion and its reward, award or punishment. If the action will be according to the demand, then he will be awarded. If the action will be against the demand and against the will, then he will be punished. For example, if someone is the member of any force, when he will obey the discipline of that force, the rules and regulations of that force, it's mean he is obeying the rules and regulation or SOP of that force, then he will be awarded through the competent authority. If the person is not obeying the rules and regulations of that discipline force, then he will be punished by the competent authority. Similarly, on this earth, every member of mankind is also accountable. The creator of the mankind will hold a day of judgment when every one of us will be accountable about his deeds, about his practice of the life, whatever he has done into his living life. Every little deed will be accountable on the day of judgment. And the concept of punishment and reward will bound us, will formate the rules and regulations about the way of living of mankind. Similarly, from the beginning of this universe, Allah Almighty has revealed the system of accountability on this earth through His prophets to the mankind, so that nobody can excuse on the day of judgment that, oh my God, oh my Allah Almighty, I was not aware about the system of accountability. I was unfamiliar about the rules and regulations and this day, resurrection day, on the day of judgment, when everybody will be accountable of his all deeds. Same like that, when the concept of punishment, award or reward is clear, then I will come to my own topic. Allah Almighty has said to his Prophet, as I have recited now the verse of Holy Quran, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, I am reciting once again, Yukhrijul hayya minal mayyiti wa yukhrijul mayyita minal hayy wa yuhyil arza ba'da mawtiha wa kazalika tukhrajun. He brings forth the living from the dead and brings forth the dead from the living and gives life to the earth after its death, and thus shall you be brought forth. In this holy verse, Allah Almighty is addressing to the mankind that I have given you the life and you will be put to death on your fixed time and date, and you will live a specific time into the grave, and then you will be revived and you will be brought in front of the Allah Almighty for their accountability, whatever you have done in this world when you were alive. So, the concept of reward and punishment, it is necessary to know the concept of punishment and reward of your deeds, whatever you will do into your life. When you will do something on this theory, on this view, that whatever I am doing now, I am accountable on the day of judgment to the Allah Almighty, then you will do, if your faith is confirmed on this theory, the day of judgment, then you will do your works, your deeds according to the demand or according to the will of Allah Almighty. So, before explaining the worship, the concept of reward and punishment is very necessary to keep this theory, this doctrine in your mind. Then you worship to Allah Almighty. And there are many types of worship to Allah Almighty, and there are many religions on this earth, and they are doing worship to their own gods. And inshallah, in my next lecture, I will explain the concept of worship according to the various or different religions, and I will try my best to compare the way and types of worship according to Islamic doctrine and according to the other religions doctrine, according to the nature, so that the concept of worship can be cleared into the minds of the viewers. Inshallah, if you will be connected with me, I will explain this lecture according to the demand of Holy Quran and according to the will of